how adequate, how quality is that sleep? Are you waking up multiple times during the night? Do you know if you're waking up multiple times? Are you suffering from sleep apnea? Are you overweight? Are you suffering from, frequent trips to the bathroom at night? How adequate is your rest? How much are you staying asleep and waking up naturally? And how much do you dream? Are you getting adequate deep rest, adequate REM sleep or dream sleep? These are very powerful questions that I want you to ask yourself right now. How quality is your sleep and rest? You might be someone who takes naps. I could appreciate the good nap. But if you're getting quality rest and you're breaking up your sleeping into these long periods where you can get 7.5 to 9 hours, there really is no reason to nap unless you're that exhausted. Now, what happens if you don't sleep? Well, first of all, those who tend to sleep, those who don't get rest and decide to go periods without it can actually start experiencing hallucinations and almost psychedelic-like experiences, and it's not good. It's not good to be experiencing that. It's quite delirious. Your memory gets shot. You're not able to form new impressions and interpretations, and your perceptions start to falter. And it's literally like being drunk, and you should not drive or operate heavy machinery when you're sleep deprived. Now, what else happens? What else happens when you're sleep deprived? Well, first of all, you increase the likelihood of developing Alzheimer's, which is ridiculously terrible. It's ridiculously terrible because our society today, when we look at Alzheimer's, we take a step back and realize this might be diabetes 3, type 3. And that means that it's controllable. It's something that we can mitigate through certain lifestyle behaviors. And that first step is through sleep. Another thing I mentioned before was that if you're not getting adequate rest, it is hard to integrate the knowledge and data that you get from your day-to-day life. So you're not forming the memories that you could use to essentially prove that you're learning things from the last couple days. And that was crucial to me being a student, because it was proving to me that it was harder to do well in school if I didn't get my sleep. Now, you tend to lower your immune function when you don't get rest. So your body is actually doing this reparative process when you sleep, and it's clearing out those plaques in the brain, like soaking the brain with some cerebrospinal fluid and the rest of it, and at the same time your body's repairing itself. It's utilizing the hormone chemical soup to make you whole again. That's why when you get rested, that's why the word is what it is. You feel it. You feel that recovery from the day before. And we're still at the brink and cutting edge of a lot of sleep neuroscience, but we're really starting to pave the way towards understanding that you need that recovery time. You need to integrate the data from the days before and what you're learning and forming new memories, and you do that all in your sleep. So again, sleep is so vital, and it feels tremendous. It feels amazing to get quality sleep. And if you're not getting quality sleep, if you're someone sleeping 5 to 6 hours, Jordan, you tell me, Jordan, I cannot sleep 7.5 to 9 hours. That means changing my whole life. Well, shape the fuck up. Don't make excuses about this. Look, I get it if you have newborns and your sleep is disrupted because of those things, or maybe you're working a night shift and your whole day is completely, essentially sabotaged. You need your rest. when I'm in my 50s, I want to look back and see a country that got its rest. I want to know that in 25, 30 years from now, that when I look back and when I see the people that are around me, we're all rested, we're all happy and healthy because we got sleep. Now, when it comes to autoimmune problems, baby, that's just about recovery. That's just about healing, letting the body do its natural thing. So let it do its thing. But if you don't give it that chance, it will never get there for you.